More than half of Americans say that internet has been essential during this pandemic, according to recent data from the Pew Research Center. In the Wabash Valley, internet access not always plentiful, and some households struggle just to stay connected. Nicole Christine has more on the local and statewide effort to keep Hoosier internet operating at high speeds in this special report.
My parents live in town, so when we drive to their house, he's able to access it there. But oh, I lost it.
Lori Davidson can't even get through a Zoom call discussing internet connection issues without experiencing those very issues. She says her family lives close to the Terre Haute Airport and struggles with internet service, something that became a much bigger issue once the pandemic closed school for her son.
He had weekly Zoom meetings with his class, and then trying to hook, and it was glitch, and then, he couldn't really talk to anybody.
Issues like this were a focus for Vigo County school leaders who took the lessons of the unprecedented spring and channeled them into planning for the fall.
Over the summer, our curriculum department purchased all sorts of at-home tools. We're talking workbooks, we're talking textbooks, we're talking some digital resources as well. All things that can be used both in the classroom, but if we have to shift to remote learning, it's going to be a resource-rich environment.
But the pandemic has brought up an internet access need that's bigger than just remote learning.
I've heard from a wide range of folks concerned about broadband, from K through 12, students, businesses, and then, folks that are trying to work from home.
The widespread need for faster internet is evident in state data, which reported that in 2018, 19% of Vigo County residents had no internet access, and more than 30% of residents in Sullivan, Park, and Davies County were without internet. Senator John Ford points to two recent bills passed in the Indiana State House to help with internet access. House Bill 1065, awarding grants to broadband providers in unserved parts of the state, and Senate Bill 460, establishing a rural broadband fund.
The state of Indiana has put hundreds of millions of dollars into broadband expansion over the last few years, but then when you get to the local level, that last mile, right, getting to the residential homes is extremely expensive.
One local internet provider, Joink, has been working to bring high-speed internet to parts of the Wabash Valley for 2 decades now.
We utilize crane legs, water towers, rooftops, any vertical assets that we can to install fixed wireless equipment to build terrestrial fixed wireless into homes and businesses. We also now have a fiber optic network throughout West Central Indiana that we use to connect our own towers.
But Joint President and CEO Josh Zerner says their work can only expand through funding and support on the federal, state, and local level.
You buy like the wireless router, and it's, they're real.
Davidson urges leaders to continue to prioritize broadband access funding as her patience dwindles with each disconnect.
I just would love for them to move a little faster on this because, we're 2020 here. I mean, everybody should have internet access.
In Vigo County, with local news that matters, Nicole Christine, WTWO.
Yeah, we struggle at our house, too, with internet. Well, Senator John Ford advises locals to reach out to lawmakers such as himself, along with other community leaders, just to make sure that broadband access remains a priority. You should have received an alert on your phone if you do have a mobile app. It will link you to our web story. There you'll be able to find out even more information and snippets from interviews with Josh Zerner. Check it out on our website, mywabashvalley.com.